You're tough, huh? You're just a girl. Oh, yeah? So what? I can beat you up, you little wimp. Oh, yeah? Nobody else says that to me. Come on. Let's go. Nothing. You're nothing. I can kick your butt if I want. You're going to kick me? I'll show you. You're nothing to me. I can kick you. You're nothing. You're just a little guy. And you're... What do you think? You think you can fight me? You're just a girl.
Oh, yeah? Who are you? My father taught me the long way style.
A long way style? That's nothing. I'm from the south, the Shaolin Temple.
I know I can take you on any day. Come on. Come on, try me.
Don't you ever put your finger on me. Okay, let's go. Come on. Hit me if you dare. Come on. Ouch, that really hurt.
I'll show you a thing.
I'll show you a thing. And show me some more. Let's go then. You hit me first. Come on. Ouch, that really hurt. Hey, you're not that tough. You're getting serious.
Oh! You got it.